In today's video, I'm going to teach you export birthdays manually from Facebook. You may need a CSV or copy the list. Here's the plan. We'll first gather birthdays from Facebook, then turn that list into a standard calendar file, and finally import it into Google Calendar so you get clean annual reminders. Start by collecting the birthdays. On Facebook, open the Birthdays section and manually copy the names and dates you want to keep. Depending on what Facebook currently allows, you might see an option to export or download a CSV. If you do, save that file. If not, just copy the list into a simple document or spreadsheet. The key details you need are the person's name and the month and day of their birthday. Take a moment to tidy the data so each entry clearly shows a name and a date, like July 14th. You don't need the year unless you specifically want it for reference. Next, create a calendar file in a text editor. This file should use the DICE format, which most calendars understand. Open a plain text editor and start a new file. Type the following structure exactly, replacing the placeholders with your details. Begin, VCalendar version 2.0, ProDid, manual birthday import, N, begin, Vevent summary, friend's birthday. Date start, value, date, 2025-0714. Rule, freak. Yearly end, Vevent, end, VCalendar. Summary is the event title you'll see, like a friend's name. For datey start, use an 8-digit date in the format YYYMMDD. For example, July 14th is 2025-0714. The value date part makes it an all-day event, and rule, freak, yearly makes it repeat every year. If you have multiple birthdays, you can add more. Begin, Vevent to end, Vevent blocks right above end. VCalendar, one for each person. When you're done, save the file with a .ics extension, for example, birthdays.ix. Now import it into Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser, go to the gear icon for settings, then choose Import and Export, and click Import. Select the ICES file you just created. Choose which calendar you want to add these birthdays to, then click Import. You should see a confirmation with the number of events added. Go back to your calendar view and spot check a few entries to make sure they appear as all-day events on the correct dates and recur every year. If you built one file per friend, repeat the same import for each file. If you prefer, you can also batch several birthdays into a single ICES before importing to save time. That's it. You've manually exported birthdays from Facebook, converted them to a clean ICES file, and brought them into Google Calendar for yearly reminders.